connect the module to PC and select the port on Q Navigator, that is application by Qualcomm. And you can see some AT commands it executed to get the initial data like manufacturing ID, device module name, firmware version, network related details, and SIM card informations and all. It fetched everything and it is showing all the data like baud rate, firmware version, the IMEI number and all. These are necessary if you want to go through it. So let's enable the GPS and then configure the NMEA sentences that will be sent from it, from the module to UART port. Let's check for the GPS location, but 516 error is coming, and 516 error is for GPS is not found or it's not initialized, but we have already initialized this module. This is the main error that is faced by EC200, this module, and for which a number of people have contacted to me. So let's check the for satellites data, and you can see satellites are being detected. There is 9 satellites that are being detected with very low signal strength, means GPS is initialized but we are not getting the location fixed. So this is the issue with this module, that if GPS is not fixed, it gives the error 516 where the error must be 515. So it is giving error 516 instead of 515. This is problem with this module. You can see it is mentioned that it is showing 516 error instead of 515. So let's take the module in open area or on my rooftop, and it is giving the proper GPS coordinates, and GPS coordinates are not fluctuating too much. So if you are taking this module in any closed area, you will may face some fluctuations, because for getting the position, it measures the difference between the signal time at which there is like 5 satellite it detected, and from 5 satellite signals are coming at the same point. The delay between every the signal from every satellite, it calculates at how much distance it has traveled. So if we are in indoor or covered area, you may face some problem related to it, fluctuations and all. Thank you.